There we go. All right, good morning. I am out here in Crystal River with Kelvin. Say hi, Kelvin. Hey. And we're gonna go do some wintertime creek fishing. It's like 45 degrees this morning. The water's nice and cold, so we're gonna tuck up some creeks and see if we can't find some fish hiding from the cold. Make sure, if you're watching, make sure you subscribe, and it really helps the channel out and it's helping us grow. So I appreciate everybody that has subscribed, and if you're just watching this, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you once we get fishing. Well, it's a good start to the morning. I got about 15 minutes from the ramp and realized I left my rods in the truck. All right, we're back in business, new threads. I'm all sweaty from that gunning back to the launch, so now let's go. There we go. What do we got? Oh, we got a little red. Wow, look at those spots. All right, on the board. Skunk off the board. Tiny, but yeah, me too. I just caught a little red. Look at those beautiful spots. Got 5, 3 on the other side. What? Ladyfish? Oh yeah, I caught a ton of those last weekend. Calvin just caught a ladyfish. All right, cool, little redfish on the board. Sweet. There we go. What do I got, a lady? Yep.
A review on it or something?
There we go. Oh, that's a ladyfish. Ladyfish, ladyfish, more ladyfish. Oh, he choked it too. Oh, there we go. We got it out. Woo! Hate ladyfish. They just freaking poop. You can see his trail of poop after he... That's why I don't bring him on board. Ladyfish are just poop machines. You bring them on board, they'll poop all over your boat. So I try and unhook them over the side.
But I try to unhook them outside.
A lot of action up here. There we go. Nice redfish. What the hell is that? Got a nice red. I'm gonna say 20. He's pretty good. Maybe 23. Nice fish. Let's go. I love ducking up these creeks. Oh, it's down there. It's like not even in there. Look at this guy. Beauty. What a beauty. Look at that fish. Oh shit, ow. I didn't even get to measure him. There he goes. Sweet. All right, so a lot of people don't know that redfish actually do have teeth. They have like a kind of small little rough teeth on the bottom of their lip, and then actually if you push up their front lip, they actually have these really sharp teeth, and that guy bit my finger. And it was fine, and then I looked down and it was like gushing blood. So always important to have a first aid kit, and so you can dress these wounds as they happen. So I'm naming him Charlie because he bit my finger. I'm sorry about that. I'll do better next time. Here, come up here. You could cast up ahead. There's a ton of fish up there. Yeah, I usually take a few casts at them. And if I don't get anything, I'll move past them and just... Because there's not always a...
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There you go.
Decent one.
Let's go. I told you there'd be a fish there.
Oh, he's fighting.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Felt like at least 20 plus, if not more. Might be the same fish I caught. Let's go.
Nice one, nice one.
Oh yeah, look at the shoulders on that guy. Oh my, that is a nice fish. Dude, look at the shoulders on him. That's bigger than the one I caught.
Nice, son, hell yeah. Dude, I was just slowly rolling it at the bottom. All right, buddy. All right.
Man, look at the head on him. That's 26.
You are lucky I don't have my bag today. Dang. That was never coming out of there. Got him right at the...
Oh, the kicker crab?
Mm-hmm. Yes, paid off, bro.
Hell yeah, dude.
Stay consistent.
Wow. Get a measure on him, then I'll take a picture of you.
Nice. And
here.
Dude, it's funny because the deep hole was right here, and then it comes up.
I got you, bud.
Dang, does it want to come in?
Ooh, I'm getting eaten right there. Oh man, he's good. I would say 26.
You can bring it back, did you?
No.
Ooh, 25. He crosses over 25 and a quarter.
Nice fish.
Hell yeah, bro. I was trying to put my pole down so he wouldn't tow me over there, but...
Oh, there's another one. There's two of them. Holy shit, dude, there's so many. Oh my God. They keep coming. There's like 20 of them. Dude, there was like 20 redfish just swam right by me. I don't think these are mull. I think these are reds. I just realized I wasn't recording, but I got a little snook. Choke that thing. Come on. Little guy. There we go. This is another little snook. Yeah, a little bigger. Wintertime snook. These guys are choking it, man. Yeah, right? Little snook. It's like little snook heaven up in here. A little nugget.
Oh yeah, you got.
There we go. There's another little snook. Where's the good snook? Ah, my leader's gonna be screwed. Man, these guys are just inhaling them. See you, dude. There's a good fish. There's a thick fish. Good redfish. Oh, he doesn't want, oh no, he's under the boat. Classic redfish. They just love going under the boat. Yes, look at this guy. Oh my goodness. That is a very good redfish. I'm gonna use the grippers this time so I don't cut myself open like last time, in case this guy's feeling chompy. Great hook right in the corner of the mouth. Whoa, look at that guy. Beautiful fish. Wow. Let's see what he measured at. Man, he could be 26. This is like similar to the size of the one Calvin caught. This might be a little bigger. Yeah, very similar, 24 and a half. Wow, what a beauty. We give this guy a good release. He fought very hard. Off he goes. Sweet. That was sick. There he goes. That way. Bye, dude. There we go. Ah, oh, you missed him. Couldn't get that line tight fast enough. There we go. It's smaller, but much smaller. But still a fish. That's a beauty. See you, dude. Off he goes. There we go. Not a big one. I knew there'd be reds up there. Welcome aboard, matey. How tangled are you? On a scale of 1 to very mildly. Let's get you free. I should be able to get this tangle out pretty easily. Look at that little guy. We're having a good day up this creek.
Skinny back here. So where that you said behind you?
I think that it might be behind this. This is the coolest place I've ever caught a redfish.
Oh, nice. Pull up from the lodge over there?
No, on the other side. Although I got a thump there. That's how I knew they were in here. Yikes. Look at this, tucked up in the end of a creek. And found a red, some little reds.
I think I just saw one.
Look at that little beauty. Oh, I just had another one. There we go. No, not in the sticks.
trying to go higher.
I think that's a snook. Yep.
Snook?
Yep.
Whoa.
There's a tiny redfish just swam away. Man, this guy's fighting hard for a little guy. Dude, this is like, I mean, talk about shooting fish in a barrel. Oh my God. Well, little guy. I know, I'm getting thumped every time. Oh, no you don't.
It's hilarious that they're all back in the same hole. It's not even, what's that, 10 feet across? Not even?
I gotta believe there's like 30 fish in there. Unless we really are just catching the same ones.
Tall tail right there. Right where I caught that last one. As soon as it landed, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, I think I already caught this one. Look, he's got the hole in his.
real?
He's got a hole in his mouth.
They're
Or
biting again? That's crazy.
I think I already caught him.
You think they're just that hungry?
Yeah. Oh, I just had another one. I think it's like playing fetch with a dog.
That's crazy.
You release him, you throw the bait out, he comes and gets it, and he comes back.
You have to be careful with like your info to like not give away spots and stuff. Yeah, still sharp. God damn.
I mean, we don't really fish anywhere secret, so like right here, I don't want to give this creek away because I don't know if everyone knows about these like spring maps.
What is that, like an online map or something?
Yeah. Hold on, we'll talk about it after this fish.
No, I'm good.
You can see him like flashing behind it every time. Yep, there you go. I don't even know how many fish we caught today.
I lost count. Those are the best days. Because we both have caught endless amounts of reds as well.
I gave my dad a hard time this past, what was it, this summer or last summer? He caught a bass and he pulls it in and he's got it.
Yo, look at this! Please record that fish.
Did he come off?
Yes.
You hung him, man. That's messed up.
That was hilarious.
What, did your cast go over the stick?
It went over the branch. I thought I fixed it and the thing dropped in the water.
And he bit it?
Yeah. Now my leader got a little shake.
Dude, this is literally shooting fish in a barrel.
Holy, dude, I think I'm gonna just, for fun, just switch it up to see what else they want to bite.
I think you could throw a condom in there, they would bite it.
But I also don't want to get stuck in all these freaking...
Yeah, part of me wants to throw the net in there. The light.
Yeah.
Ooh, this guy's got like a little skid mark on him. Just to make it a little more sporting, but I don't want like a decent one to hook up and then I gotta fight him in that. All right, you wanna catch a couple more and then just push up and see what it looks like in there?
Yeah.
I'm imagining it's like 6 feet deep and there's 500 fish. All right, one.
And it's insane that they're all snook, you know? Like,
Well, I caught that red.
in here?
Yeah.
Oh. Forgot about that one.
There's another one. Is that a red? No.
No.
Here, you want to land him for me? Calvin, get him. Get him.
I had my own snook.
Land him for me. Partner land. Let's go. These are the dumb things you do when it's getting too easy. Nice. All right, now throw my bait out in the middle. All right, that was so cool. There's so many back here. We're just gonna push in and just see what it looks like back there, because
no possible way. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, every cast is catching one. Whoa. And they don't care. Like, they don't spook. Oh, there's a snook. 2 snook. There we go. It's another small red. Oh, you know what? I need to retie this leader. Ooh. I need to retie this leader after all those snook. Another little guy. Dude, there's something about the multi-spots up here.
They all have it.
Yeah. There's a good fish. There's my trout. There's my slam. Let's go. Oh no, it's a ladyfish. He did those head shakes. I thought it was a trout. What a tease. You're the worst. No, he's in the boat. What a tease. There's more ladyfish. They're attacking it right now. Is that a trout? There's my slam! Let's go! That's a good trout too. Let's go! Jeez. That's probably like a 15-incher. Trout for the slam. Let's go. That trout, I felt him hit and I'm just like reeling it in. I'm like, it's for another freaking ladyfish. And then I saw him come to the surface. I was like, oh my God, it's a trout. No, I gave up. There's another one. That's a trout. Double hooked. Trout. Let's go. It's funny too, the way that we caught these fish.
What?
The way we caught these fish was, we caught all our redfish,
Winter fish.
then we caught all our snook, and then we caught all our our trout in order. I mean, the trout are in the middle over here. Man, I'm getting whacked every cast.
Yeah, these are all the fish where I'm at.
That's a pretty decent trout. That would be a keeper if I was keeping fish. Man, he's feisty. Dude, I am gonna let you go. This is the best one of the day so far. Look at that. Whoop, whoop. He says, let me go. All right, that is a wrap on today. Calvin and I did really well, and it was just a lot of fun. My last few trips have been going up creeks and checking those out. So, and I've been really successful doing that. So overall, winter is one of my favorite times of the year because the fish tend to kind of congregate in spots. So if you can find those good spots, then you can do really well. And that's been the last few trips. So yeah, a lot of fun. So overall, great day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I respond to all my comments, and I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.